This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. This one is definitely a keeper. New heat pump and air handler July 2023, new hot water heater 2024. Newer windows, vinyl exterior requires little maintenance. New LVP on main level, new carpet on stairs and second level. New stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Walls and trim have all been painted a very nice neutral. Blinds on windows, comfort height toilets, spacious closets. This well-maintained unit has recessed lights that were added in lower level and primary suite. Popcorn was also removed. Storage added under interior stairs. New light fixtures, faucets, deck has a spacious storage area and season views of Lake Desoto. 2 parking pads in front of unit. Complex sits on Lake Desoto and boasts a picnic area. Kayak launch is coming soon. Just miles from shopping at West Gate. Hot Springs Village is a 26,000-acre gated community with 11 lakes, 9 golf courses, white sand beach, hiking trails, pickleball, fitness center, indoor and outdoor pool, tennis and so much more.